Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are cooking hot dogs with, oh this is too long. I left it on just a little too long, but it came out pretty good. Don't eat it. My dog, you can see him right there. He's just chilling on the counter, enjoying his life right now. Anyways, this is getting way too hot. Okay. I throw butter on the pan. It might burn a little because, it's butter. But I put the bun on the butter, which is on the pan. And look, there's my other dog. Woo! You're so confused as to why Luch is up there? I know, right? You don't get to go up there because you've been a bad dog. Anyways. Wow, that was only on there for a couple of seconds. And look at that. How interesting. The butter is doing good. So anyways, we are just going to toast these up a little more. This hot dog should definitely be done. Yeah, they're thick. They're already done. And that's pretty good. This side, I don't know. Ow. And then tomorrow is Sloppy Joe. I'm talking to my YouTube channel.
Are you up there? If you ever felt mad, yes, you would. You have to be very careful with
He's
him.
doing good.
He is doing good.
Oh, he's good. And then we're going to use some nice Chick-fil-A.
Oh my gosh. So smoky.
This is good. These hot dogs are looking quite divine. So we go upstairs, we turn on the TV, and we enjoy a nice afternoon. Oh. change the input. I'm no longer playing Fortnite. Anyways, that's about it for this video. I mean, there is literally nothing much going on. I was just here to show you what I'm cooking, basically. I will try and upload more videos eventually. Here's the other dog. Always begging for food. But other than that, there is nothing else that is going to be going on much. I do recommend that you subscribe and hit the like button to show that you have enjoyed my YouTube channel and all my content. So have a good one. Bye.